Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the pinnacle of the pinnacle of the pinnacle of luxury. The Mercedes-Benz, not just the Mercedes-Benz, a Maybach S350 Long Wheelbase Edition to our workshop. I remember growing up in Taiwan, where I'm from, and my parents always told me, when you grow up, you must have a Mercedes-Benz. And that's because we, in our Taiwanese culture, perceive Mercedes-Benz as the pinnacle of luxury. So a way to measure success is how many Mercedes-Benz's S-Class you have inside your garage. It's a bit weird, but you know, let's get on with it. So this car is in for a ceramic coating. So the mafia boss who owns this car, just joking, decided that he needs his car fully restored again. It's got so many scratches, it's dirty. He's like, you know what? I want you to restore this car for me. I want to be able to sit in the back and do my job properly. And are you able to do that? And I said, yes, of course, boss. I can do it for you. So before I do anything, let's have a look at the car. I'm gonna do a quick overview of this car because it's so special. We actually don't see it a lot in Australia. You see it more in the Asian countries, China, Taiwan, Singapore, and so on, from a lot of executives, but not a lot in Australia. But we finally have one here today, so let's just have a quick look. I feel like the driver of a car for a mafia boss. Just to remind you that you're in a Mercedes, you've got the 3-pointed stars on the steering wheel, but just to remind you that you're actually in a more special Mercedes, you're reminded with the Maybach sign over here that says Maybach. Inside this beautiful interior, if I close this door, just soft close, beautiful. It's covered in leather everywhere, from all your door panels to the front trim to your armrest, all the way to the back. Everything that you can think of that usually is actually wrapped by vinyl or soft plastic is actually wrapped by real leather. That's crazy. But it's more crazy because we're doing leather coating on this car, which means there's a lot of leather to clean and a lot of leather to coat. I want to show you this leather over here. Customer told me they've been wearing jeans and there's a little bit of sheen here on the leather. They want us to clean that off. Definitely fine. That's definitely what we do. We clean the leather till it's back to its matte new look before we actually put the ceramic coating on the leather. Let's go to the back. As you can see, this is where the boss sits. The mafia boss sits in this little seat. just over here at the back, it looks super big. You got the long wheelbase, which means you can actually kind of move the seats forward and backwards in the back as well. See that? It's moving. And yep, that's as far as it can go, and your legs can actually extend a little bit more. So it's almost like business class in the back. You've also got a handrest, and if you put that back up, that's a third seat in the back. But why would you do that? You're a mafia boss anyway. You just want to have your room to yourself, obviously. Again, just in case you forget you're in a Maybach sign's there, Maybach sign in the back over here. There's a fridge, a freezer for your, champagne. But babies can't drink champagne, so let's put that back. Obviously, as you can see, I was joking about the mafia thing. It is filthy inside. What we're gonna do is give it a good clean, give it a good in-depth wash, and then coat the leather, the paint, and also the wheels. Get this up and running. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's go.